Hi everyone, I'm Quyên, a full-time mom living in the peaceful countryside of Vietnam. This channel is where I practice my English speaker skill and I share my simple daily life as a mother, from gardening to cooking, from hard work to little everyday moments. I want to capture and say the beauty of the slow and simple life. Along the way, I will also be working on my English step by step. I'm not perfect, and that's okay. This is my journey of learning, growing, and finding joy in the little things. If you love authentic, everyday story and want to learn English with me, welcome to my world. Let's take on step at a time together. Now, let's get started.